So the struggle is real when we talk about Instagram and uploading videos to our stories, right? Because they only allow 15 seconds at the longest. Well, I'm going to show you real quick a couple different ways that you can easily make longer videos for your Instagram stories. Let's jump in so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so here we go. We're in the Instagram, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in and act like we're gonna create a story, and you can see me. Woo! So one of the ways we know when we hit the button, we press down, it'll keep recording, and it'll keep going, and once it gets around, it'll end, and it'll be one clip, right? So that's only one clip, as we can see here, and then we can send it off to our story if we want to. Now, the other thing is you can actually go in and let's go back and discard. And what you can actually do is hold the button down for a lot longer. And for this purpose, I'm just going to kind of speed up this video for you guys so you can see. But once it gets around to the full circle, what you're going to want to do is just keep your thumb down and it's going to keep rolling. Check it out. Now you see a second clip appearing. That means that it's going from 15 seconds to past the 15 seconds to get into another clip, and so on, right? So what you can do then is you watch this video and it'll just keep rolling, so it's longer than 15 seconds, right? So the next way we can do this is if you already have a video that you previously uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, and you see this top video, it is 43 seconds long. I'm going to press on that, and it automatically, as you can see at the bottom here, cuts it down into 3 clips because obviously it's 43 seconds long. And then you can go into next, and then you can share it to your story. And then you guys will see that it is longer than 15 seconds. So there's 2 really easy ways to get you out there and start uploading longer videos to your Instagram stories. You're not stuck with the whole 15-second thing anymore. Check out this playlist I left right here for more Instagram how-to videos and how to use Instagram and all that fun stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.